Good evening, students. Today's topic, importance of the socialization. The role of socialization is to acquaint individuals with the norms of a given social groups or a society. It prepares individuals to participate in a group by illustrating the expectations of that group. Socialization is very important for children who begin the process at home with family and continue it at the school level. There are eight importance of a socialization. They are: first one, development into a social being, development of a personality, ensures stability, conformity, and continuity of society, teaches social roles, transaction of skills, inculcates basic disciplines, develops rights, aspirations in life, develops rights, aspiration of in life, transmission of culture from one generation to another generation. Now, first one, development into a social being. First importance is a development uh, into a social being. Here, when the human child is born, it is a biological being. In the process of socialization, this biological being is converted into a social being. In this process, the human interaction and contact are very important, and it becomes clear through various feral cases. Kamala was found in a forest near Lucknow by the British missionaries when she was at the age of 6. The child was believed to have been separated from her parents in infancy and raised by wolves. When she was found, she wore no clothes, ate raw meat, and utterly hostile to human beings. Similarly, the cases of Anna and Isabella, illegitimate children isolated from human beings, prove the importance of a socialization. And second one, development of a personality. The personality is the product of group life. Though biological factors are important in the growth of personality, the environmental factors play a greater role. Various factors of personality such as intelligence, interests, abilities, desires, emotions, and motives are molded and shaped in the group process. Various groups such as a family, peer group, playmates, school, etc. play important roles in the formation of an individual's personality. And third one, ensures stability, conformity, continuity of a society. Here, the process of socialization is important to ensure stability, conformity, and continuity in society. It helps a man to translate his thoughts into action. So the socialization assists individuals to conform to the norms of group or a society, and thus provides stability to society. In this process, it also provides for a new achievements and innovations by transmitting culture from a generation to generation. Socialization ensures culture continuity of a society. And fourth one, it teaches social roles. Socialization teaches social roles and their supporting attitudes. A role is any behavior pattern that we are to carry out within a social position. For example, a person may have the role of father, breadwinner of the family, husband, son, etc. Each role is associated with the rights and obligations. Through socialization, the individual understands his rights and obligations associated with each role. And next one, transmission of a skills. Here, transmission of a skills is an important function to socialization. Skills are necessary for human beings to earn their livelihood. In traditional societies, the skills like hunting, fishing, agriculture, or a food gathering, etc., are transmitted through the process of imitation and practice in the course of everyday life. In modern societies, the skills are transmitted through formal education. And these societies, specialized knowledge is transmitted to certain individuals and inculcates basic disciplines. Socialization inculcates basic disciplines ranging from the toilet habits that ranging from the toilet habits to the acquisition of a complex skills. Indisciplined behavior is prompted by impulses. Through socialization, the individual is able to control these impulses. The individual is also able to learn the values, objectives, and attitudes of life. Socialization helps the individual to have self control. The discipline which is acquired early in life enables the individual in his adult life and develops right aspiration in life. Socialization helps an individual to develop right aspiration in life. The aspirations of the individual should be in accordance with the social expectations. Socialization helps the individual to aspire those values or occupations which are complementary to the interests of a society. For example, in a religiously oriented society, some are motivated to become religious priests. Similarly, an economy based on advanced technology inspires some to become engineers for a scientist or a scientist. And finally, transmission of culture. This is a transmission of a culture from one generation to another generation or a elder generation to younger generation. Socialization as an important function of transmission of a culture. Culture with its various elements such as a knowledge, beliefs, values, norms, etc. is transmitted from generation to generation. In this process, some new aspects of culture are added to the existing culture and it is transmitted. In this way, culture changes and enriches itself. So, therefore, socialization is very important in a development of a personality or a human life. Okay, we will end the meeting, stop the meeting today. Next class, we will discuss about the theories of socialization, right?